Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's quickly learn how we can add a clickable link to the phone number in a WordPress website. Now in the Click and Capture Studio website, right under the footer, we have the phone number, right? Now when I click on this phone number, it is only a text where there is no clickable link on this particular phone number. Now the client requirement is to keep a clickable link, which means when someone clicks on this phone number on their phone, the phone number needs to be opened right on their phone keypad. And that is the requirement, and we can fulfill the requirement in less than 1 minute of time. Now this particular phone number is located on the very bottom of the website. So let me quickly scroll up and then let me quickly scroll down so that you will know where is the position of this particular phone number. Now in order to make this phone number a clickable link, we have to navigate to the WordPress dashboard. Alright, so let me click on the URL, and at the end of the URL I want to click wp-admin, where it will ask me to enter the credentials of the WordPress admin dashboard. Once the credentials has been entered, it will take us to the WordPress admin dashboard. And from the left side panel, we have to click on appearance, and from the appearance we have to select the Elementor header and footer builder. And in this particular page, we are going to make the changes to the footer. So let me click on edit. We have landed on this page, and here we have to click on edit with Elementor. Inside the Elementor, we can see all the places where we can do the edit. So here I want to edit the phone number. So let me click on this particular icon list. As soon as I click on the edit button, the edit panel has been opened on the left side. So we have to choose the phone number. Let me click on the phone number, and right below we do have one of the option called link. Let me quickly open the notepad. Now right before the mobile number, we have to enter TEL and these two dots. We have to take the copy of it and then we have to paste it right here. So TEL, two dots, and then the mobile number of the Click and Capture Studio. It is so simple. We have to click on publish, and once the changes are published, I quickly would like to open the Click and Capture Studio in the second tab. Let me navigate to the website, and here I want to scroll till the bottom of the website where we can see the phone number. So if someone clicks on the phone number, now it has been converted to a clickable link. Since I have clicked the phone number on my laptop, it is asking me to pick an app where I can make a phone call. Now if anybody was on the phone and if they click on the phone number, it will redirect them directly to their phone keypad page where they can make a call directly to the Click and Capture Studio. And for your reference, I have posted the screenshot right here. So updating a clickable link to the phone number in a WordPress website is so simple. If you find this video helpful, please continue watching all my digital marketing classes, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.